What begins as carefully selected meat soon enters a process built for speed, precision, and massive scale. Then the mixture is packed, sealed, and transformed into one of America's most recognizable canned foods. From raw meat to the finished can, this is the complete journey behind how Spam is made. Every journey begins long before the production line starts, as carefully handled ingredients arrive at this massive processing facility. Refrigerated deliveries are guided toward the receiving bays, keeping the incoming ingredients organized from the moment they arrive. At the dock, each vehicle is positioned carefully, creating a controlled transition from refrigerated transport to the factory. Chilled pork and meat ingredients are unloaded in sealed containers, protecting them as they enter the production system. Before processing can begin, incoming containers undergo inspection for appearance, packaging integrity, and proper handling conditions. A precise temperature check provides another level of control, confirming that the chilled ingredients remain within the required conditions. Once approved, the ingredients are organized and prepared for their next move deeper into the production process. Refrigerated storage keeps the sealed meat ingredients protected and organized until production is ready for them. When needed, selected containers leave cold storage and begin their carefully controlled journey toward the preparation room. Through the production entrance, the ingredients move into the main processing area, where their transformation can finally begin. Here, chilled meat enters a highly organized preparation area designed to keep every stage moving efficiently. Sealed containers are opened, and the chilled ingredients are transferred into food-safe bins for further preparation. Each portion is carefully trimmed, removing unwanted pieces before the meat moves into mechanical processing. Before grinding, the prepared meat is inspected once again to ensure the portions are ready for the next stage. With preparation complete, the trimmed portions are fed steadily toward the industrial grinding equipment. The grinder takes over, drawing the prepared meat through powerful stainless steel machinery designed for continuous processing. As the meat passes through the system, it emerges as a more uniform ground mixture. The freshly processed meat collects below, where production staff monitor the flow and prepare it for inspection. Consistency matters here, so the ground meat is checked before it can continue into the formulation stage. Approved batches are lifted and transferred toward the industrial mixing system, where the recipe begins taking shape. The next transformation begins with a massive mixer prepared to combine the processed meat into a controlled batch. Mechanical lifting equipment carefully transfers the processed meat into the mixer, reducing unnecessary handling along the way. Measured food ingredients are then added in controlled quantities, building the formulation for the next stage. Precise seasoning ingredients enter the mixture, helping create a consistent formulation from batch to batch. Automated dosing systems coordinate the additions, while operators monitor the process to maintain controlled production. Then the mixer starts, and powerful paddles begin bringing the meat and added ingredients together. Inside the chamber, continuous mixing works the ingredients into a more consistent and uniform texture. Multiple mixers can operate together, keeping the production flow moving while each batch receives careful attention. A sample is taken for inspection, allowing quality control staff to examine the mixture before it advances. Once the batch is approved, the finished mixture is ready to move from formulation into precise automated forming. The prepared mixture now enters the forming line, where automation begins shaping the product for individual cans. A controlled feed system delivers the mixture steadily toward the forming equipment, maintaining an even production flow. The forming system divides the mixture into equal portions, creating the consistency needed for standardized packaging. Those portions are pressed and shaped by high-speed equipment, giving the product its uniform rectangular form. Perfectly formed portions emerge onto the conveyor, spaced evenly as they continue toward the next inspection stage. Automated vision systems scan each portion, checking the newly formed shapes as production continues. Precision weighing verifies that individual portions meet the required consistency before packaging begins. Any portion that does not meet the line standards is automatically removed while approved products continue forward. With inspection complete, rows of uniform portions move steadily through the forming section toward confilling. Together, the synchronized equipment transforms the prepared mixture into a continuous flow of consistently formed portions. While the product is being formed, large quantities of empty metal cans arrive for their own preparation process. Automated cameras inspect each empty can, looking for visible damage or imperfections before filling. Next, the cans pass through a cleaning system, preparing their interiors before they receive the formed product. The cans are then rotated and aligned, placing each container in the correct position for filling. Clean, properly oriented cans travel in organized rows toward the filling station without interrupting the production flow. At the filling station, precision equipment waits above the line, ready to place each formed portion accurately. Automated machinery lowers the formed meat portions into individual cans with carefully synchronized movement. Each portion is positioned neatly inside its container, preparing the filled cans for inspection and sealing. Vision systems check the filled cans, confirming that the product is properly positioned before the line continues. Hundreds of filled cans now move forward together, approaching one of the process's most critical stages, sealing. Clean metal lids feed automatically into position, matching the speed and rhythm of the moving cans. Before sealing, each lid is carefully aligned above its filled container with precise mechanical timing. The lids are placed onto the cans in rapid succession, creating the setup required for a secure seal. Then the seaming process begins, as rotating equipment grips each can and starts closing the lid. Precision mechanical movement forms a tight seam around the lid, securing the container for later processing. One after another, filled cans pass through the seaming system in a continuous, automated operation. Automated cameras inspect the sealed rims, checking the visible seams as every can moves down the line. Technicians also examine sample seams using precision equipment, adding another layer of quality control. Controlled integrity checks test the sealed containers before they move into the thermal processing stage. Once approved, the sealed cans continue forward, ready for the controlled heat treatment that follows. The next stage takes place in massive retort chambers designed for controlled thermal processing. Sealed cans are carefully arranged onto large processing racks, preparing them for the chamber cycle. Before loading, each filled rack is checked to ensure the cans are properly arranged for processing. Mechanical equipment slowly pushes the loaded rack into the massive stainless steel retort chamber. Once loaded, the heavy chamber door closes and locks, sealing the cans inside for controlled processing. Operators activate the thermal cycle while monitoring the system's temperature and pressure conditions. Steam systems and industrial piping support the controlled thermal environment surrounding the processing chambers. Throughout the cycle, instruments continuously track changing temperature and pressure conditions. Multiple retort chambers can operate simultaneously, allowing carefully controlled processing to continue at industrial scale. As the cycle approaches completion, operators continue monitoring the system before the chambers are opened. The massive door opens slowly, releasing warm vapor and revealing the processed cans inside. Mechanical equipment then pulls the loaded racks from the chamber, moving the cans toward cooling. Freshly processed cans enter a dedicated cooling area, where the next controlled stage begins. Water sprays cool the sealed cans as they travel along stainless steel conveyors. Gentle rotation exposes the can's surfaces to the cooling water, helping distribute the cooling action evenly. Excess cooling water drains away beneath the line while the cans continue moving forward. After cooling, Technicians check the processed cans again to confirm they have reached the required condition. Automated cameras inspect the cooled containers for dents, deformation, and other visible surface damage. Additional sensors examine the containers as they pass, checking their overall integrity before final packaging. Approved cans now move toward labeling, bringing the finished product closer to its final presentation. The cooled containers enter a high-speed labeling line, where the plain cans begin their final transformation. Continuous rolls of product labels feed through precision rollers, synchronized with the movement of the cans. Automated equipment applies each label smoothly around the moving containers at high speed. Vision systems check alignment, ensuring the finished packaging maintains a consistent appearance across the entire line. Production and date information is added automatically, providing identification as the cans continue forward. Cameras then inspect the coating and label placement, scanning each finished container in rapid succession. Rows of fully labeled cans emerge, their packaging now presenting the finished product in a consistent format. Quality control staff perform another visual inspection, checking the labels, seals, and overall package condition. Any visibly defective or misaligned container is automatically removed while approved products continue uninterrupted. With final inspection complete, hundreds of approved cans move rapidly towards secondary packaging. The finished products enter the packaging line, where individual cans are prepared for shipment in larger cases. Automated guides organize the cans into precise groups, matching the configuration required for each shipping carton. Nearby, flat cardboard blanks are folded into sturdy cases, ready to receive the grouped. Automated equipment loads each prepared group of cans into its shipping carton with synchronized precision. The carton flaps fold closed around the products as the cases continue along the packaging line. Automated sealing equipment secures each carton, preparing the finished cases for handling and distribution. Cameras inspect the closed cartons, checking that each package is properly sealed and intact. Tracking and production information is then applied to the exterior of each finished shipping case. Mechanical diverters sort the completed cartons into organized lanes according to their intended destination. Sealed cases accumulate beside the palletizing station, ready to be assembled into stable shipping loads. Robotic equipment lifts finished cartons and builds precisely aligned layers on waiting wooden pallets. Layer by layer, the automated system creates stable pallet loads designed for efficient storage and transport. Each completed pallet rotates as protective stretch film is wrapped tightly around the stacked cartons. A logistics identification label is applied, giving the completed pallet the information needed for warehouse handling. Before storage, the wrapped load receives a final inspection for stability and overall package condition. An electric forklift lifts the finished pallet and begins transporting it through the warehouse. Across the vast finished goods warehouse, organized pallets wait as forklifts move efficiently through wide aisles. The pallet is placed into its assigned storage position, completing another carefully controlled step in the process. A handheld scanner records the pallet's identification, helping maintain organized inventory within the warehouse. From above, the scale of the operation becomes clear, with hundreds of finished pallets extending into the distance. When orders are ready, selected pallets are retrieved from storage and prepared for outbound distribution. Electric forklifts transport the selected loads through the warehouse and toward the loading docks. At the distribution dock, trailers wait while the final shipments are organized for loading. Each wrapped pallet is carefully driven into the trailer, securing the finished products for transport. Inside the trailer, multiple pallets are arranged in stable rows to prepare the shipment for its journey. With loading nearly complete, the final checks are made before the trailer doors are ready to close. The loaded truck leaves the factory, carrying the finished canned meat products beyond the production floor. From the highway, the journey continues as the shipment travels across the American. landscape toward its destination. After every stage of preparation, processing, inspection, and packaging, the finished product reaches its final form. From chilled ingredients to finished cans ready for distribution, every stage demands precision. Subscribe for more fascinating factory and manufacturing documentaries.